It's time to make coffee with the DeLonghi Espresso. First, you just turn it on. Take this tamping thing, put it in here. I turn it like a 45-degree angle, push it in, and it turns on. It fills it up. I put it about right there, not quite to 20, but a little bit more than 15. And it comes out like this. Set it right here. Get this little tamper guy. Put it down in there. Kind of smush it down really good. If you don't do that, then it doesn't turn out right. Twist this whole thing like that. Get it to come off. Set it over there. Take this and see how it's kind of almost full. Slide it up under here. Like this. And just kind of turn the whole thing a little bit like that. Feel it kind of getting tight. You'll probably get a coffee mug. Make sure it's on espresso, and just push the button. Couple more drops. If it spills a few drops, you can't wait for your coffee. It'll just go down those little hole things there, and you can clean that out later on. Now I have a delicious coffee that I can enjoy. It saves a fortune also instead of going to Starbucks. And you can use your own freshly ground coffee beans that you just put in there. You can get organic ones and lots of other kinds.
This little espresso maker from DeLonghi is just absolutely the best. Let me give you a quick tour. It comes with everything you need. Really neat grinder, beans here. So power switch back in here. You need to hit to get everything engaged. And everything powers up. You can set 1 or 2 espresso shots on your grind here. This controls based on the darkness of your coffee bean where you want to be. There's a simple guide in the instructions. You simply take, all this is included by the way, simply take this tool here, put it in, push in, and it grinds. Then this thing removes, and then it goes up in here. You lock it, and you just hit OK again, and off you go. You can control Americano. I haven't done Americano yet, as well as just hot water. And a cold brew, which is really interesting. Again, I have not done. Frothers here. It will not froth while it's cooking. It can't multitask that. But you just simply hit this button when you're done. It takes maybe 3 minutes, and you've got froth milk. There's a little toolbox up in here. It comes with a single serving cup here. I've got the double cup in here already. It comes with the tamper. As well as your water reservoir in the back. Easy remove here. They do recommend that you keep fresh water in it daily, so I try not to put too much in. And that's it. It's just a really great all-around machine. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. Makes homebrew real simple.
Okay, so here's the espresso machine that came in this box, and you can see this corner was dropped. It came in another big box, but it was, I think, dropped prior to delivery. So I'm not really sure what happened here, but that's where it was sitting, and where that is in the box was this reservoir tank in the back of the machine. So I don't know how that happened. I'm kind of upset because that crimp in the back of the box would have been in this corner, and there's nothing wrong in this corner. Everything's in good condition here. There's no dents, there's no anything, no issues. I haven't plugged it in, but I know that I've had one of these machines before and it looks good. But this is going to be an issue.